Hello, my dear crafters. I had to share with you this wonderful piece of furniture that my husband just found for me. I mean, look at that. Is that perfect or what? I'm going to show you a closer look. It has, let me see, 20 drawers, which I have labeled, and perfect spaces here for all my yarn. Look at that. I am so in love with this. Let me show you a little bit of what I have here. So I have some card bases here for my card making. I have this beautiful box that I use for my plastic bags. And this is something that I have to grab every time I go to my table to work on projects. I just grab this. These are my everyday usage things, like the essentials. Some decorations here. Do you see that beautiful collage over there? That's my husband's collage. He does beautiful stuff. So yeah, so I have some more of my brushes here for blending. And here I have my Copic markers. I use them a lot. This is something that I made very recently. A box, very cute. Some of my markers and all the stuff that I use for coloring. Here I have some of my distress inks. And some more inks over here. And bottles. These are my little bottles that I use. Let me show you here. That I use for glue. Yeah, so I have a few things here on the top, but my goodness, isn't this the best husband ever? So the way that I can get my yarn here out of the way, they have these little boxes, and that's how I put my yarn over there. And here, let me show you these wonderful, perfect for crafters. I have labeled some of them. Electronics. These are all crafting stuff. Store supplies, dollar store, like notebooks. But what I love about these is that they're very, very deep. Let me show you. They're deep and tall too. Look at my hand here. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you. It made my life so much easier, because you know how it is when you don't organize your stuff. It's just hard to craft. At least for me it is. I have to know where my things are. And yeah, so there you are. I just wanted a quick video here to show you this wonderful piece of furniture. It's not an IKEA item, as you can tell. I'm sure it's from a store here in Portland called City Home. Maybe you can check them online. I don't know if they have another one, but anyway, yeah, I just thought you would like it. I never showed my craft room to you. Maybe I'll do a video on that. Let me know if you would like that. But this, as soon as I saw it, said, I know who would love to see this. Absolutely perfect. So thank you for spending your time with me, and I will see you soon.